I'm about to go on this trip to San Antonio, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to show how you can use Packaroo to keep track of which bag, box, or container you're putting your items in as you pack. So first, let's do something easy. We're going to simply rename this pack list to suitcase. And we'll quickly add some items that I always take when I'm carrying a suitcase, like clothes and toiletries. The next thing we're going to do is create another pack list for my backpack. And we'll quickly throw onto this list the things that I typically have in my backpack. I like using this technique for organizing my packing for a trip because the list in Packaroo really match how I have the items organized in my head. Now, one other thing, if you want to pack for multiple people using this technique, one way to do it is to create bundles for each person. For instance, we could go into clothes and create 2 bundles, one for Cleo and one for Jessie. And then we'll just add a few items real quickly to each bundle just to show how it works. Now we're going to remove from the pack list the clothes that we initially added to the suitcase, and then we'll add to the pack list those 2 bundles that we just created. So here we have a suitcase with clothes in it, designated for each person. Packaroo is extremely flexible this way. You can name your pack list or your collections or your bundles to represent whatever makes sense to you. For me, having the pack list mapped directly to my bags is super easy to do and helps me feel perfectly organized.